Hi, today in front of me DOOGEE T10 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should hold for a while with our finger down to space on our home screen, then tap to the widgets icon, and after that you'll see here all of the available widgets, all of the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, the calendar widget got two different types of the widget. To add them to your home screen, we should just hold it and just drag it to our home screen. If you want to move the widgets on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. To resize it, you should just hold it for a while, and now we can make it bigger or smaller. And to remove it from your home screen, hold it and drag to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.